Hey guys, welcome back to Lumen Detailing, the YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be introducing the new Do Anything You Want towel from yours truly, Lumen Detailing. So it's your standard sized microfiber, just as absorbent as the drying towels that I use from CarPro, but in the size that's versatile, which is the standard 40 by 40 centimeters. I wanted to experiment and see if 3 of the Do Anything You Want towels can replace my entire arsenal of detailing towels, and there's a lot of it. And so yeah, here I'm using it as a sponge for my contact wash, and the reason why I could add this to my list of anything I want to do with my towel is because the standard sized microfiber towel will have 8 sides to wash with if you were to fold it in 4s. Now you have the versatility of the standard sized microfiber towel, and you're able to use the higher GSM benefit of being able to use it as a sponge because of how absorbent it is and how soft it is. It's really safe for your paint, and it helps avoid scratching it, marring it, and all that. Here I'm using another of my new towel, but this time for drying the car, and the allocated microfiber towel for this part of the experiment, it was able to dry a bit over half of the car. And I think if I had allocated 3 towels for drying, it definitely would be able to replace my CarPro drying towel. If you've used this microfiber towel that I'm using here, the CarPro Dehydrate Bold, it's the same GSM as that, so it's super plush and dries really well, super soft. And the third and final towel, I used it to apply my ceramic coating topper. In this case, I'm using Polish Angel Gold Zircon. I'm using the red side to apply the gold zircon, and then the gray side to make sure that there are no streaks. And I'm doing that because I can do anything I want with this towel, and you can too if you buy one. So like I said, this towel lets you do anything you want with it. So I used the red side to apply the coating because I wanted to, and the gray side to make sure there were no streaks, and again because I wanted to. And this towel lets me do that. I was able to apply the coating on the entire car with just one Do Anything You Want microfiber towel. It is possible that I can apply an entire coating on the RS6 with one towel and maybe 2 for the Sequoia. This is available now on my website, linked in the description below. And because I want to share this awesome new towel with everyone, I will throw in one Do Anything You Want towel on all orders this 4th of July weekend, because this towel allows me to do whatever I want, and I want to give everyone a free towel. Finally, the winning comment from my last giveaway is Klein1. All of the suggestions were super awesome, so I'd love to try that out again to give more of my supporters a chance to win something cool. Thank you guys for watching, and have a happy 4th of July weekend. Bye bye.